Hey, welcome to Layman Tutoring YouTube channel. This video is about how to solve quadratic equations. First of all, what is quadratic equation? Quadratic equation means the highest power of the variable in the equation is 2, and then we set it equals to 0 on the right hand side. To solve quadratic equation, we're going to use the quadratic formula. So to apply quadratic formula, we need to know A, B, C. What are they stand for? A is nothing more than the number in front of x squared. B is the number in front of x power of 1 term. And C is the constant, which is the number itself. Here is the quadratic formula. Let's look at some examples. The first example here, before x squared and x, we can't see any numbers, which means here are invisible 1. It is very important to know that before we apply the quadratic formula, we need to make sure the right hand side is equal to 0. If the right hand side is not equal to 0, we need to move the terms to set it equal to 0. In this case, the setup is done, so we can directly drag the numbers. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, C is equal to minus 12, and then we plug it in the quadratic formula. So we're going to deal with the negative 1. Negative times 1 is negative 1, and then inside the square root, the negative 1 square is positive 1, and then 4 times 1 is equal to 4, minus 4 times minus 12. Now here we just deal with the number first. So 4 times 12 is 48, and don't forget the negative times negative is positive, so we have positive 48. 1 plus 48 is 49. Square root of 49 is 7. The bottom part is 2 times 1. 2 times 1 is 2. In the quadratic formula, you see a simple addition and subtraction together, which means we have two solutions. One is plus, one is subtract. In other words, we have minus 1 plus 7 divided by 2, or minus 1 take 7 divided by 2. Minus 1 plus 7 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. The other solution, minus 1 take 7 is minus 8. Minus 8 divided by 2 is minus 4. That's it for this question. Example 2. The setup is done. You can see the 0 is on the right hand side. Then we can directly apply the quadratic formula, which means A is equal to 2, B is equal to minus 2, C is equal to minus 12. First of all, we're going to deal with negative times B. Negative times negative 2 is positive 2. Inside the square root, minus 2 squared is positive 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Minus 8 times minus 12. Deal with the number first. We got 96, and negative times negative is positive. So 4 plus 96 is 100. Square root of 100 is 10. In the bottom part, 2 times 2 is 4. Now, we have two solutions. One is plus, one is subtract. 2 plus 10 is 12. 12 divided by 4 is 3. The other solution is 2 take 10, which is minus 8. Minus 8 divided by 4 is minus 2. That's it for the second question. Now here is the challenge question. So this question you cannot apply the quadratic formula. Why is that the case? You see the -2 is on the right hand side. To apply quadratic formula, generally speaking, the right hand side must be equal to 0. So you need to move the -2 to the left hand side. It will become +2. Then now it's perfectly fine. We can just directly apply quadratic formula. A is equal to 2, B is equal to 5, C is equal to 2. So negative times 5 is -5. Inside the square root, 5 squared is 25. 4 times 2 is 8. Minus 8 times 2. Let's deal with the number first. 8 times 2 is 16. Just leave the negative in front, so we have subtract 16. 25 take 16 is 9. Square root of 9 is 3. The bottom part is 2 times 2, which is 4. Now, we have two solutions. One is plus, one is subtract. -5 plus 3 is -2. -2 divided by 4 is -1/2. The other solution is -5 take 3 is -8. -8 divided by 4 is -2. That's it for this question. Thank you for watching this video. So, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, or even subscribe my YouTube channel. I will see you in the next one. Peace.